Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, we're in a tent right now in our backyard. And
Because we're cool like that.
Yup. And
she just spilled her second drink of the morning.
the morning, yeah. And yeah, we just finished cleaning that up and we decided, hey, let's make a video.
Well, actually, she cleaned it up, I watched, because... Are you sure you should open that? Because you're going to spill it.
Fuck your bubble.
Yeah, she's going to spill it, and then
You're gonna have to
we're going to have
watch us
another
clean
mess.
up. Yeah, you're gonna have to watch us clean it all up.
Yeah, because she just...
Can't open it.
Okay, don't! You're gonna... She's gonna dump it all over my...
Ew!
I think you shook it, you moron.
I didn't shake it.
Hello, Tucker.
Don't
be careful! Hey,
gonna...
shush! Careful. Careful. All over my... I told you! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Such a poop dick. Whatever. I've had it with this poop dickness. We're gonna go.
Bye.